If you've ever watched a tournament like the Ryder Cup and heard the term fourball, you might assume it means 4 golfers playing one ball. It doesn't. In fact, it's much simpler than it sounds. In golf, fourball is a format where 2 teams of 2 players compete, and each golfer plays their own ball the entire hole. So there are 4 balls in play on every hole, 1 for each player, which is where the name comes from. Here's how scoring works. On each hole, both players on a team play the hole all the way through, but only the best score from each team counts for that hole. So if you and I are partners and you make a 4 while I make a 5, our team's score for that hole is 4. Then we compare that to the other team's best score on the same hole. Fourball is most commonly played as match play, meaning you're trying to win individual holes rather than post the lowest total score for the entire round. If your team's best score beats the other team's best score in a hole, you win that hole. If the best scores are the same, the hole is halved. Whoever wins the most holes wins the match. What makes fourball interesting strategically is that it allows for aggressive play. If one partner is safely in position, the other can take more risk, maybe go for a tucked pin or try to reach a par 5 and 2, because only one good score is needed. That teamwork element is why it's used in international competitions like the Ryder Cup and the President's Cup. It's also important to know that fourball is different from foursomes, which is alternate shot. In foursomes, teammates share one ball and alternate hitting it. In fourball, everyone plays their own ball the whole time. So in simple terms, fourball is 2-person teams, everyone plays their own ball, and the best score per team on each hole counts. It's competitive, strategic, and one of the most entertaining formats to watch because you often see birdies flying from both sides.